Yeah, I'm gonna have to start billing Mazda for this. So every couple months, I get to play this wonderful game with my car, which is a Mazda CX-7. Change the turn signal bulb and the low beam bulb. Yeah, on a normal car, you'd have access to your headlight bulbs, and you can easily change them with no problem. On the Mazda CX-7, not very likely. Can't even see in there. This side, which is the side that I'm having an issue with, is doable if you have small hands. Ugh. It's recommended to take the tire off when you're changing the light because you got to access it through the bottom here. I'm going to try it differently. I'm going to turn the wheel and pop the plastic fender thing and try to access the bulb without taking the tire off. I got these stupid plastic clips out. I still have to get that one right up in there. But this is my working room that I have. Right up there, where those red and black wires are, that's where the stupid bulb is that I have to change. The turn signal bulb is just right where that beige looking connector thing is. Oh my god. I just want to slap the engineering department, whoever made this car, because this is just terrible. Okay, yeah, I'm getting really fed up with this because I've been at this now for about 28 minutes. Pried this out of the way, and then I used the tire kind of like as a hold to keep this plastic from rebounding. So now I can actually get in here. I gotta navigate around this washer bottle lines. Those are the washer lines. All right, so the first one I'm gonna do is the turn signal one. So that's the flasher bulb right there. Screw off. Ta-da! Now I get to put it back in. Oh, I absolutely love Mazda. They think of everything. They have a fancy little drain tube that connects to the bottom of your headlight. So if it ever fills up with water, that's where it goes. But yet, you couldn't make a headlight where you could change the bulb easily, bastards. All right, so this is the last one. That's the Lowbeam HID headlight. Okay, so I got the connector undone. Now it's just a matter of reaching my hand up in there again and pulling this boot off. So you see that little clip looking thing in there? That's what holds the headlight in place, and I have to unhook it, swing it open, and pop the light out. Honestly, all of that just to get to you. And then you gotta fish it all the way back in there, and yeah. This is like the gauntlet of challenges right now. I can't stand this anymore. Damn thing. All right, it's back in there now. That clasp, that little hook thing that's just above those wires there, honestly, why does that have to be there? Why couldn't they just make it where you could just twist the bulb in, pop it out, put it back in? It's mind-boggling. This took me an hour to do this. Would have been less if I put on my big boy pants and just took the tire off. And there you have it. One headlight bulb and a stupid turn signal bulb, and we're done. Serviceability my ass.